Hi guys, welcome to this session in Microsoft Excel. In this module, I want to show you how you can link files together in Excel. So what you need to do is open the files that you want to link to. So I want to pull some information into this file from a different file, and the one I want to come to is called charting. This file with this amazing chart that I've done, I want this figure to suck through into the other file. So what you do is you start off in this file and you just get yourself where you want the answer to be, and you start off with equals. Then you go down to the Excel icon and select the other file, in this case charting, and click on the cell you want. I had to click that twice. There's the path. Now, a word of warning, if you're using SharePoint, you have to have permissions for the file that you link to. So if you're not a member of a site and you're trying to get it, you're going to have to ask for permissions. But these are all on the same machine, so this is going to be okay. So I'm going to tick that, and I'm going to have to tick that twice, and then it sucks it back through to this file. So this is a live link now. If I go back into charting and change some of these figures, I'll delete some of these figures. So this drops down, you can see that's changed, and come back into the source file, or the starting file, not the source file. That's picked that up straight off. So that's how you bring one single cell in, which is fairly straightforward, just type in equals. But if you wanted to bring a chunk of cells in, you could have done this. You could have just highlighted the data like that, copied it, Control C, come back into the starting file, not that one, that one. Don't paste it, go to the paste button and select paste link, this little icon down the bottom there with a chain on it, because that actually brings in all of those cells as a formula, so it is dynamic. Now if I just prove it to you by going back into charting and typing some figures in that column, you'll see what I mean. So if I go back into charting, put some figures in there, whatever you want. So now there's some figures in there, and come and have a look to see if that's worked, and it has. That's a live link. You can always tell whether you've got a linked file if you go into File and Options, not Options, Info. It will say over here Edit Links, for example, and then you can click on that and it will open a pane and tell you where your source file is. Now if you ever open a file and your computer goes to the open dialog box, it may well have links in that have moved. Somebody may have deleted this and it's looking for it, or more likely moved, and then it's looking for it, and you'll get ref and things like that. That happens quite a lot, to be honest, in link files, where people don't realize that something's looking at that file. So you just have to be careful when you move things that there's no links from that file, otherwise you're going to break those links. Now this paste special that we just did there, you can also do that into Word and into PowerPoint, and it will automatically do the same. So what I'm going to do now is I'm going to open a Word document, but what I'd say for Word will be the same for PowerPoint as well. I'll just get a blank document in Word, and then there's a blank document in Word. I'll come back down to the Excel file. I'll copy this again, so you can see how it works. So I'll copy that, Control C, come back into Word, and you do the same sort of thing. You don't paste it, because that would just be a dead copy. You go to you want paste special, paste link, which is probably that one, like so. Click on that. Now there you can see that they're fields because it's colored up, and that's what happens when you've got fields. But if I go back into the source Excel file now and delete those figures again and come back into Word, you see that's picked that up straight away. So it's a live link, and if I save this and closed it, when I open this, it will ask me, do I want to update links? And then I've got the choice of saying yes or no. And again, you'll have edit links in there if there is an issue. So I'll just close this Word document down and not save it. You can also do that with the chart as well. So I could have copied the chart and done paste special, paste link, then I don't need that data, and it would actually work. So that's all I want to talk about in this little video, how you can link data between files and have it automatically update, and also how you can link data between programs, Excel and Word or PowerPoint, and have that automatically updating. So hopefully this information was of use. Thank you for your time, and I'll catch you on the next one.